Subliminal TV.
Today, I am going to put these speakers into this Ferrari because I'm tired of them crackling. So, put these. It was a little cold outside earlier, but right now it's okay. It's not too cold. I've been doing little stuff to the Ferrari here and there, and I haven't shared much. And I said once I got the Ferrari going, I was going to share more stuff. So I'm going to do that. I'll put these down. This is not going to be a how-to video. Of course, everybody knows to take that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Take this off, replace that. Everybody knows that. I don't have to say that. And this is not gonna be a how-to video. Yesterday, I got this little guy from Exotic Auto Recycling because it's a Ferrari without a cup holder. I don't really need it for me, but I figured when you have a passenger, I don't know how you're gonna explain to the passenger that you're in the car like this and you can't have a cup. So I said, you know what, let me get that. Imagine having the missus in the car and she can't put a cup anyplace. So yeah, got that. And the glorious gated shifter, yes. When I was getting this car, I found a red one first. I always wanted red. I found one that was red and I was going for it. It was a F1 car, paddle shifter car. And then I saw the silver car. I wasn't wanting a silver Ferrari, but guess what? When I saw that gated shifter, I passed up the red. And in my mind, I was like, you know what? I could always paint it. And I know most people, the purist, are gonna say, no, you don't paint a Ferrari. Hey man, I don't care about that. If I want to paint it, I'll paint it. But right now, to be honest with you, the way that it is growing on me. The red wheels with the red stripes is growing on me. So I'm probably gonna leave it like it is, but I'm gonna probably change the wheels. I'm thinking I'm gonna keep the red wheels. At some point I was gonna do a brush wheel, still keep the red stripes, then change the car to red. But now I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and still do the brush wheels and still leave the red stripes, leave the car like it is. Then I'm gonna circle back around and put some more red wheels, but a little bit of a better red wheel. I got one in mind. I'm not gonna say it right now. But yeah, so I ended up with the silver car and I'm okay with that. I do need to lower it some though, as you can see. This car, I knew I was gonna get a Bentley. I always wanted one. And when I found this one, it was a pretty fair deal. So I went with it. And it happens to be silver. This is gonna be a cold start. I figured why not give you guys a cold start. This car is straight pipes. It has a 2B exhaust and custom test pipes. Oh shit, my bad. I'm acting like I don't know that I own this car and they all have that. Okay, cold start. Loving the way this cup holder looks. Something so simple. If you know the car, you know that that's supposed to be an ashtray. This replaces an ashtray. I like the look of that. Also, I added this. I wanted more USB ports. This was where the hazard button goes. I didn't need that, so I added that. This comes out, and I can also take this. I kept this as a regular cigarette lighter plug because I may want to charge my drone batteries and stuff like that because the car is going to be going on some trips and stuff, filming. So yeah, kept that there. do have more USB ports on this. There's one there, and there's a cord that comes from behind there. So yeah, now, so I can get on to these. By the way, I am going to add, I'm going to build my own subwoofer enclosure for this. I was going to do 2 stacked between the seats, only for aesthetics. But now that I see that, since I'm using the 10-inch, the 8-inch subwoofer will stack better. These, it seems like it'll be too high, so one will be like really close to my head. I don't want that, so I'm only going to build the 1. But it's going to be neat how all my speakers are silver, right? That's on purpose. Get it? Don't even think I'm gonna use these because they do come with a little bracket, but it seems like to me, even with the bracket, I don't know how they would fit. So I don't think I'm gonna use these. Maybe, I don't know. Who knows, maybe. But I don't know, it seemed like I don't know. I can make it fit, it's just not worth it. These are actually pretty decent, so. Okay. So now we're here. I love that red stitching. When this quick comes out, goes in, and these are very, very flimsy. Look at there, it's all torn right there. Ferrari Y. Y. Okay, got that out here. And for the record, I did consider leaving the grill off. I considered leaving the grill off and letting the speaker just show through. I considered that. But I think I want to keep the grill on. Factory. Without the grill, I really like it. But what I don't like is how you can still look in there and see. That's what I don't like. But like from a distance, I like it. So I decided to go with the grills on or off. On. I like it. It sounds a whole lot better. Just look how good that cup holder looks.